Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today again it's a kids recipe. It's very tasty and very healthy. This is very good for cold and it clears the mucus. And let's see how to prepare. It's almond with honey. I have soaked some almonds for 6 hours and now we'll peel it. Now I have peeled the almonds and now we'll see how to prepare it. For this we need a stone that is rough. We can use what is in our kitchen and we'll see how to make it into a fine paste. And now you can see I have made it into a paste, and this almond is very good for memory power too. Now we can take it in a spoon. And we can add a little bit of honey, not much of honey, few drops, just 3 or 4 drops. If it is 1 month baby, you can just give it like this. If it is a 6 month baby, you have to just give it in a feeding bottle. You can give 5 almonds. You have to give it in the evening time so that the baby sleeps well at night. Here I have made a fine paste and now we'll see how to give it. Here I am having a bowl and I will add the thick paste into it and add a little bit of water. And mix it well. See how watery it is. If you feel there is some rough pieces, you can just strain it. You can use a sieve and sieve it. Now I'll add 4 to 5 drops of honey. That's it. And now I'll mix it well. And see how it looks. You can feed this with a spoon to your baby, or you can feed it with the feeding bottle. It's very tasty. And thank you for watching this video. This is the way how to give almond for kids. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon and let me know your comments in the comment box. Until next, take care. Bye bye.